Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by locking down prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Pick your platform, Android, iOS, or cross-platform, because the SDK dictates integration patterns. Once chosen, decide whether the assistant runs locally or via cloud APIs. This affects latency, privacy, and cost. Make sure to create API keys, set permission scopes, and scaffold a minimal app with networking and audio I/O. From here, wire a simple request flow so you can iterate quickly. Once the app skeleton is ready, implement the core interaction loop. Capture audio with permissions, add wake word detection or a push-to-talk control, and apply preprocessing like bandpass filter and normalization so the model gets clean input. Next, integrate the model client, use WebSocket or REST for cloud APIs, or load an optimized on-device model via TF-Lite or ONCs. Make sure to build a prompt and context manager that maintains conversation state, and stream responses into a responsive UI. To finish, polish performance, security, and UX before release. Optimize latency with model quantization, response caching, and adaptive audio bitrate. Reduce token use with concise prompts. Make sure traffic is encrypted, keys are rotated, and user consent/telemetry options are clear. Deploy CI-built builds and monitor errors, latency, and usage metrics. If something goes wrong, first check logs for network or auth failures, and enable a graceful fallback path that retries or switches to a lightweight local model to keep the assistant responsive.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.